Good afternoon to my people. Yeah. So today I'm gonna do another authentic style of turn cornmeal. Okay. So I have all my ingredients right there. Okay. Just go closer so everybody can get a look at the ingredients I'm using today. Okay. I have some salt, black pepper, coconut milk, bell pepper, onion, scallion or green onion, and I have some chicken hot dog, okay, Frankfurter hot dog, whatever you want to use. So that's my turn cornmeal. In my container here I have some garlic powder, onion powder, grinded pimento, ginger, thyme, dry thyme is inside my bowl right here. Okay, so I have my ingredients chopped up on the bowl already. I have my ingredients chopped up. That's my pot on the fire right there. Pot is on the stove. So let me go get things up and running. Okay. Yeah, so I go start. Get some oil. Put a little bit of oil in the pot, not a lot. Okay, very small amount. Fire's on. And yeah, so I put a little bit of oil in the pot. So now I'm gonna put my spice, Frankfurter and everything in the pot and cook them slowly to make my turn cornmeal. And then I'm gonna add my cornmeal in it after. So I'll take you through it. Let's waste no time. Let's just get started. Okay. So my ingredients are on the table. Let's get started. So small amount of oil is in the pot. Pot is on the stove. Okay. So I put my onion in the pot. Okay. Low flame. Get all my caramel in the oil. Yeah. Get my onion to be nice and brown, a little golden brown. You don't want your onion to burn. After you stir your onion and get your onion, get that flavor out of the onion in the oil. Let it stay there at the low flame and run for a few minutes. After I get the onion cooked out in the oil a little for that flavor, then I add my bell pepper. Yeah. Don't want your vegetables to burn. Stir it and get it that good caramel inside. Don't want them to burn. Stir them out. Then my chicken hot dogs next. I stir those and get them. All my chicken hot dogs already chopped up properly. Okay. Yeah. So you stir all those out in the oil, stir them out, leave them there to just get a little bit of frying, a little bit of color. Coconut cream. Nice creamy coconut. Getting everything out in the oil. Can hot the fire a little bit now. Yeah. Then I leave this one here to just cook in for, put it on mid flyer, and I leave it there to cook in a little bit. I'm gonna give it 3 minutes more. Take a look inside. Yeah, that's it. Everything's stirring. Keep it stirring, don't let it burn. Leave it here for a good 3 minutes. So after another 3 minutes, then I get my green onion. Yeah. Green onion added. Okay. So I'm done with that. Stir it in. Getting that nice flavor I'm looking for, a nice color. Everything blending in slowly. And always remember, what you put in first is what you taste less. What you put in last is what you taste more. Okay. Okay. Then that's blending in. Now over here is my little spices I told you about. Yeah. My little grinded herbs and spice. Okay. Stir them in. The fragrance start to come up. The nice smell start to coming up. Okay. Black pepper, grinded black pepper. Okay. Stir that in. Okay. Salt. Enough salt to taste. I don't need a lot of salt. Okay. Then now I get my coconut cream. And that's when you put the fire up a little bit higher, and then you pour your coconut cream in. Rich and creamy. Wow. Yeah. Take a closer look. Yeah. So I stirred it in, and I leave this to cook. Everything to come in together. Come in as one flavor. I leave this to cook for a good 5 minutes, and then I come back and add my cornmeal. So let's take another look at it now. The coconut and the everything cooked in together. See, this gives me the flavor I need. Everything cooked in nice and beautiful. Okay. So everything is in nice and beautiful, and I have 1 pound of cornmeal here. So I have a pound of cornmeal. Everything here is up and ready. Yeah. That's the flavor I'm looking for. It's sitting right here. Yeah. So that's the flavor I'm looking for. So To cook your cornmeal now, you need water. Water and low heat is what make your cornmeal. So I'm making 1 pound of cornmeal. By you making your cornmeal, you can add too much water, you can add less water. So you see the can of coconut milk I put in, that's the only water. Now I put 2 full teacup of water. So 2 teacup of water plus the can of cornmeal, plus the can of coconut milk. So that's the liquid I need. Okay? So that's all the liquid I use in my cornmeal, and I leave everything to boil up. Okay? When this start coming to a rolling boil again, then I add my cornmeal and turn and turn and turn. So 2 teacup of water plus the full can of liquid here. This is all the liquid I use for 1 pound of cornmeal. Based on how you like your cornmeal, you can add more water to make it more moisture if you want. Yeah, so everything come in. Get the flavor I need. Now, that good old yellow cornmeal. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do now, you can put small, just stir it in to get what you're looking for. Just keep stir it, and it will come together. Just keep stirring it. Never stop. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Put down your fire and you just keep stirring it, because you don't want those dry lumps to be inside. You don't want no dry lump. Everything needs to dissolve out in the water. Get a proper stirring spoon or a nice big fork. Even your egg lifter can stir this. The broader the stuff you use to stir it is the better. Because the broader it is the less dry lump you will find inside. If you don't stir it properly, when you're ready to heat, that's when you're going to find a lot of dry lump in the middle. And we don't want that. Keep stirring it. And stir, let everything come in. Call it in. Yeah, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Cornmeal is something that swells too. So at this moment now, when you had your water and stirring, if you realize it need more water, you can just get some more water and add to it. Mine don't need any more water. But just in case if you realize you didn't put enough water, you can add to it. And if you realize it's too watery, then you can still add a little more cornmeal on top of it. Okay, I think I get all the dry ones stirred out already. Yeah, that's looking good. And that's what a turned cornmeal is supposed to look like. Getting in. Wow, look a little bit, the heat, yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, is just get my, yeah, okay, it's stirring properly. Wow. So now, cornmeal, you need to let it cook. So what I do, fire's there, you can put foil paper over it, you can put plastic over it, you can put a lid over it, cover it, and leave it there to steam. Let it steam slowly, don't rush. You don't want to rush it to steam it, okay? So you have to let it steam slowly. Okay, so I'm gonna cover him up and leave him there to steam slowly. Okay, so my cornmeal is ready now. Yeah, that's what my cornmeal look like now. Okay, you have to let it stay on this slow heat, and you keep stir and cover and stir and cover, and let it cook with the heat slowly so it don't get burned. As a kid growing up, I remember some people used to say turned cornmeal is dog food, it's a poor people food. But at the end of the day, the people that eat the turned cornmeal always be the stronger and the healthier one. That's what I realize. Okay? So now I'm going to make a bowl of this turned cornmeal. Let me grab a bowl. Yeah. That's what turned cornmeal look like. What turned cornmeal is supposed to look like. And you know I like my vegetables, so I always let my food be colorful as much as possible. I try to have the colors in my food. Okay. And this now is my supper for the night. Up close and personal. That's my supper for the night, okay? Please like, share, and subscribe. Cornmeal in the pot. That's my cornmeal. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you want it, I'm willing to share, okay? I'm willing to share. Whosoever need cornmeal, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. My own cornmeal. Enjoy, oh.